Splitting orders can be useful in a lot of scenarios while performing order fulfillment of your customers. For example, a customer places an order with multiple items, but only a few can be delivered now and the rest cannot be delivered now, or can be delivered when you receive them in stock. At such times, splitting orders is the best option. It makes your work easy so that you can process half of the order and let the other half be processed later. Partial orders may confuse you, but split an order feature will make it easier. The split order will be a new order with the same properties and some of the quantities. This may be useful if an order has been partially cancelled or needs to be partially shipped. To split this order, you will have to divide each item between the existing order and the new one. For this, first go to Orders and select the order which you need to split. You can either directly click on the split order option, which is available on the order screen, or you can split the order from More option by viewing the detail page of the order. Then click on Split Order. After this, you have to select the quantities and the products which you need to split, and a new order will be generated. Once you have set the quantities and the products which you wish to put in the new split order, click on Done. You can view the split order in the Order section in Orderhive. The new split order will be denoted by a combination of the existing order number and the number of orders you have split the main order into. You can also assign your own order number to this new order. Hope this was a useful one. If you need any more help on this, connect with the Orderhive expert right away through this chat icon. Happy selling!